All right, let's take a look at some fraction number lines. And these are a little bit different because before we had like 0 and 1, so it was simple. We just needed to find how many pieces there were. But now we have 0 and another number over here. So we've got to figure out the numbers between first. So basically, you have 0 and 2. You just need to find out where is exactly between them, and that would be 1, right? And then hopefully you know what's between 0 and 1, what fraction that would be. And over here, you need a mixed number, right? So it's going to be 1 and, we'll write that one for you, 1 and 1/2. Then down here on the next one, again, just find halfway between. If you need to count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have 6 pieces. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 1, 2, 3. That's halfway between. That must be 1. Now, how many pieces are there between 1, 2, 3? Between 0 and 1. So you can mark those, and then you're going to have mixed numbers here. 1 and 1 something. 1 and 2 something. There. Then here you've got 3 pieces. So basically, you need to find both 1 and 2. So, how many pieces is it? Again, you could probably figure it out just by looking at it, but you can also count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. If we divide 6 by 3, it's going to be 2. So, does this make sense if you look at it? There's 1, and there's 2. And what is between those? A fraction or a mixed number. Same ideas for 4 and 5. Again, this is 0 and 3. So just find out where would 1 be and where would 2 be along here. And then figure the numbers in between. And that's it. Thank you.